So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial of LeetCode where I'm going to show you very quickly how you can see all the topics that are associated with the problem that you are solving. For example, if you want to solve a problem and before the solving the problem, you want to see which topics does solving the problem require, so that you can know that you can solve the problem if you already studied the topic or not. So to do that, you can see on this description window on the problem solving page, you can scroll down till the end where it says this drop down which says topic. Just simply tap it over here. Once you do that, you can see this options available here which says array and hash table. That means that solving this problem required these topic knowledge. So by that you can easily know which problem require which topic knowledge, and you can solve the problem by your knowledge as well. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.